Hey all, this is Paul with Two Birds, One Stone, Backyard Gardening and Living, Zone 8B, Olympic Peninsula, Washington State. And I don't have much time to do gardening videos, but I still have time to garden. Look, I don't even have time to shave my neck. I have a neck beard. That's coming off tonight, maybe. Maybe. All right, let me give you a really quick tour of what I've got going on in my greenhouse. Today is May 8th, 2022? Yeah, I think so. But let me give you a quick tour of what's going on in the greenhouse. All right, you guys, I've got my tomatoes planted in straw bales. I've done this every now and again. I like doing the straw bales. Chicken poop on top there. And on that side, same thing. Tomatoes on straw bales. They're indeterminate, so they're gonna grow up with strings attached to that board there. All right, over here, look at this. A Kitsuwasi Satsuma. It survived a winter here, unheated greenhouse in the ground. One day this will be a nice, beautiful glass greenhouse overlooking a pond. But right now you've got a cheap plastic greenhouse. It's actually a nice little greenhouse. It's like going to California. Okay, a Kitsuwasi mandarin in the ground. We've got, these are kumquats, not in the ground. It will be in the ground somewhere. Of course, some marigolds. Oh, some strange Indian tuber plant with some nice tubers down there. Jamaica. More tomatoes than I can do anything with, but I'm gonna definitely find some space even in here for them. Marigolds. It's gonna be a big marigold year. Got my grape, a grape, leafing out in here before it was bare root. That's a Gerwitzer grape. Supposedly does well in cool weather climates. Can't get much cooler than Port Angeles, Washington, the Olympic Peninsula. All right, here's my heat sink still going. I've got finally a male kiwi that has been inside and now out in the greenhouse. It's needed because I have a beautiful female that's just going to be flowering with nobody to pollinate this year. So next year, hopefully it'll have a partner. Oh, another mandarin in the ground. Beautiful growth coming off it. I planted these last fall, so they made it through a very, very tough winter here on the Olympic Peninsula. Of course, these are Emmy's Venus flytraps. Little fly in there. Some zinnias, everything just kind of ready to go out there. That's it. Tiny little greenhouse with big dreams coming. Thanks for watching. Two birds, one stone, backyard gardening. Like, subscribe. It's going to be interesting to watch how these citrus progress here in the Pacific Northwest. Look at that cute little baby.